So here goes the rear axle. That's what it looks like. I thought about taking the axle and moving it to the top so I can get an extra drop with the frame, but I think that's fine there. As for the front, I'm gonna try to even out the plate so the front spindle will be more even like that. So basically, something like that. All right, so here goes the steering so far, welded it up. Now I'm going to make the steering thing, whatever. Ended up using a hind joint here. This is a solid bushing joint. Use a hind joint up on that guy. And then for down here, we ended up using a hind joint. Good old, now that's rebar. So steering is complete for now. Here we are, so if I think I'm gonna drive, turn the wheel, that pushes up. Just gotta trim the fender, drill some holes for a cotter pin. You can say I have a rolling chassis.